In this video, I will guide you on how to customize live caption settings on your phone. First, launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of accessibility, select that. Here tap on hearing enhancements. Find the option of live caption and select that. The first thing you need to do here is toggle on the option of live caption. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Now down below you should be able to find the settings option. From here you can customize your live caption settings. If you want to change or add a language, then tap on the languages option. From here select or download your preferred language if that is available. Next, get to the caption preferences option, select that. From here you can toggle on the option of show caption. Now tap on caption size and style. From here you can select the text size. You can also select the caption style. Go ahead and select your preferred one, then head back. Now below you have the expressive captions option. If you turn this option on, it's going to include additional context such as tone of speech or labels for sound like laughter, applause, or music. You also have the hide profanity option if you want explicit words to be automatically censored in live captions. For quicker access, you can press either volume button while the media is playing and tap the live caption icon to turn on the feature on or off using this setting right here. And that's how you can customize live caption settings on your phone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.